Good afternoon everyone. Once again welcome my class. Today I will discuss about the first chapter from land resources and its utilization, land use pattern in India, degradation and conservation also. So land is very important natural resource. Am I right or not? Land is very important natural resource. We live in land, we operate any kind of activities on the land. Its importance for any kind of activities, social activity, cultural activities, society, communications and many more industrializations also. So in our India, land can be classified. I want to represent by a diagram. In our country, imagine you will take 100% of total land in our country. I know and you are also know that only 3.84 million square kilometer India share land to the world. Then you will take 3.84% 100%, right or not? So from this 100%, land covered in which pattern? Some of example, India covered the total land by plain lands, mountain and plateaus also. Clear? In our India, 43% is land of plain lands, where we live, where we cultivate and any kind of activities, practice activities, and other portion is 30% of mountain and this is the land, plain land and this is plateau land. That means in our country 100 out of 43% is plain land, 30% mountain and 27% are plateau. This is the land covered by our country. Clear? Now we are going to know about land utilization. Land utilization, that means in which purposes we can use of land. In which purposes we can use of land. Many more purpose of use lands. One of them, first of all, we can use of land as a cultivated area, cultivated land. We can use of land for forest. We can use of land pasture and grazing, and we can use fallow, desert, many more etc. This is the land utilizations. That means land we can use for cultivated land, forest, pasture and grazing, fallow and desert. What do you mean of fallow? Desert, fallow means जो अनाबादी भूमि परा रहना, that is called fallow land. And desert we know all about. Desert means marubhumi. This is the utilization of land. Clear? Now I want to talk about land use pattern in India. Land use pattern in India. What is the land use pattern? Land use pattern in India. Land use pattern in India. Pattern means here dharan, any prakar. That means in which purposes we can use of land in India. That is called pattern. Many more purposes already talked. Many more purposes are used of land in India, but pattern in India of land suppose this is the land of India. This is the land of India. Only 93% used by the India, but where go out of 7%? Because more than eastern region, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Mizoram, Nagaland, fully occupied by the China, and northern region, Jammu Kashmir, some parts of Jammu Kashmir occupied by the Pakistan. That means only 93% we can use of our land out of 100%. Clear? So I want to represent here the present or current land use pattern according to latest data. According to latest data, %, 54% is covered or share for our cultivation, for agriculture purposes, and for agriculture purposes, culture purposes, forest and mountain many more. Acidity, alkalinity and desert also including in 30%, and 22% is forest and 54% is covered with agricultural land. New forest policy in India, National Forest Policy in India in 1952. According to this policy, country covered must be with 33% of the total land area. Forests are covered with 33% covered to the total land of a country. But in our country, only 22%, more than 22% covered with only forest. This is the very important point for our country. Now, I will present in 1961 and 2008-9 the general land use of India. 1961, 2008 to 2009, we can compare between 1961 and 2010, 2008 year. This is a diagram for land use pattern of 1961 and 2008 to 2009. %, 18.11, 18.11, 12.01, in which purposes? Cultivated area, forest area and uncultivated wetted area. And the rest part of the land, such as alkalinity, Kesar, grazing, all of include and the rest part of land, and 45.26% area practice for agriculture, cultivated area. This is the pattern of 1961. But in 2008 and 9, something different to 1961 land use pattern in India. Let's see. Let's see. 46% of agricultural land, 22.78, 46.12% agricultural land, 22.7% forest land, forest, agriculture, uncultivated area, 8.6, 8.16 uncultivated area, wetted area, and rest part of near about rest part of land are used for alternative pastures, grazing and many more include in rest part of the land. This is the pattern of land use in India between 1961 to 2008-2009. Then we are going to discuss about land degradation. Land degradation. What is land degradation and its conservation? Land degradation means land degradation and conservation. Degradation means here of land अवक्षय होना यानी eroded होना. Land, what do you mean by land degradation? When the land are eroded by some artificial natural reasons. This is called land degradation. In our country, 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter, clothing are obtained from the land. Right on. 95% of food, culture, shelter and daily uses of needs we can obtain from the land. But this type of land are degraded for some causes due to some activities such as afforestation, overgrazing, afforestation. That means point out the causes of degradation of land. Degradation of land. Deforestation, overgrazing, settlement, industrialization, for the causes of land degradation. Clear? And many more acquiring from the earth or the ground for collected the minerals. Such as, for example, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha for favorable or minerals resources. Okay. I want to present by a diagram for land degradation. Total land degraded in our country more than 180 million square kilometer. 130 million square kilometer degraded in our country lands. What is the main reason and percentage shares for different purposes? Land degraded by forest in 20%. That means land degraded by forest 28%. That means land degraded by forest 28% out of 130 million square kilometer of the total land are degraded, and 56% soil or land are degraded by water eroded. 56% land are eroded by the water, and rest part of the land are degraded by the salinity, alkalinity deposit, and some human activities such as overgrazing, pastures, and many more activities. This is the figure of water eroded, forest eroded, and rest part of the percentage, 16%, including all salinity, alkalinity deposit, and some human activities such as pasture, grazing, and many more. This is the diagram of land degradation in our country. That means this point is very important. Clear? Land degradation of percentage in a country. Now I will discuss about the conservation of land. How can we conserve the land? Conservation means we protect the land degradation. We protect the land degradations is called conservation of land. But how can it possible? By which process we can easily protect the degradation of land? Afforestation is the very important step to protect the conservation land degradation. Afforestation is the very important process for protect the land degradations, and proper management of the government and human consciousness raise the human consciousness for conservation of land. These are the concept, and students, all of are requested, please study, learn, read carefully. Next time I will present the next topics of soil resource and its classifications, conservations, and erosions also. Clear? Thank you very much.